This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Elantra brake light. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver and a new 7440 bulb. Make sure your car is turned off and the parking brake is set for safety. Now, open your trunk to get to the back of the taillight assembly. This initial preparation makes the rest of the process smooth and easy. Next, you'll need to remove the taillight assembly itself. Look for the two screws that hold it in place. They are usually visible once the trunk is open. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back, away from the vehicle, to release it. Now that the assembly is free, you can access the faulty bulb. Locate the brake light bulb socket, which you'll twist counterclockwise to remove from the housing. Gently pull the old 7440 bulb straight out of its socket. Take your new 7440 bulb and firmly push it into the socket until it's securely seated. This is the core of the replacement. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket into the taillight assembly, twisting it clockwise to lock it. Carefully align the entire taillight assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into place on your vehicle. Don't forget to check the description for a great deal on the new Kindle Paperwhite and other helpful links. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two screws to secure everything. Test your new brake light to ensure it works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.